Hello friends, Jatoko ki Johar. I hope all are doing fine in this lockdown. So in today's vlog you'll be seeing our village bachas. They are bathing in the pond, enjoying in the lockdown. Just look at them. They are giving back spin, front spin. Oh wow. So this is the advantages of staying in the village. With some natural beauties. And there is another small guy. He's bathing there. He don't know to swim, so he is taking bath in the smaller pond where the water is very less. Actually below my hip. So let me also enjoy with these guys, So one of my brother is there. You can see his head there. He's my cousin. Oh, just look at how they're spinning. Back spin. And the crowd is getting more because I'm making vlogs, so all want to come in the vlog. They want to see themselves on the YouTube. So actually I also thought of bathing. So enjoying, just getting wet. And the water is very high. The water is so much, I can drown. If you don't know how to swim, you can get drowned. So guys, keep enjoying the video, keep supporting, like, subscribe, comment. Okay, so let's play and enjoy the video. So I'll be taking some shots. Let's enjoy the video. Viewers, these are the participants. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one of my cousin. I didn't ask them to jump. Retaking the shot. So they'll be doing backspin. Okay, just look at them. Oh, there's another one. Instead of going to swimming pools, come somewhere in the pond and enjoy yourselves. You'll swim with some fishes also. Whoa. Although I also want to join them, but I unfortunately can't join because I'm not well. As you can see, viewers, they have changed the pond. They have come to the low level water. So they are going to the end and they'll be starting from there to come to this end. So I told them do a swimming competition. So let's see who wins. Okay, there are one. Just look at them, swimming competition. That guy gave up. He has given up. So he is the winner.
A few moments later.
Hello viewers, this is the second day. So in this vlog you'll be seeing I'll be traveling to one of my nearest town. So I'll tell you the place later once I reach. So it's basically 60 kilometers from here. So I'm ready, all set. There is one of my brother outside waiting. So we both are going. We have some urgent work there. So see you direct on the road, okay? So viewers, this is the first fuel up stop. So I have fueled the bike, you can see. So we just done fueling up. So let's move. So viewers, I have stopped for chai break, having some tea. The weather is also quite good. It's not sunny. It's quite good weather. The bike is parked there. Taking early morning tea at home. I already had breakfast in the morning, so just taking tea right now. Cutting chai. So till now we have done 30 kilometers. So we have to do more 30 kilometers. So I'll just finish my tea and then we'll start. I threw it in the dustbin. I didn't throw out. So see you on the road again. So viewers, at the railway crossing, you can see the train passing. So viewers, we both have reached to our destination. As I told, it will be 60 kilometers, but it wasn't 60, it is 65 kilometer. So the one who came with me, he has gone inside. He has some work there, some paperworks, as he works in railway department. So I'm waiting under the tree, under the people tree. I'll zoom it, you can see it's Dhankoda. So I'll be waiting for him here sometime. After his works get over, then we'll be going back to our home. So it will be 65 kilometers again. So nearly to come here, it took us 3 hours because we had 2 breaks in the between. So let me sit here. So viewers, I'm at the railway station, Dhandkora station. You can see there, Dhandkora station. And the station is really very empty. Due to the lockdown, there is nobody. Only villagers just crossing the railway tracks to the opposite sides. I am just walking around here because he will be taking some time. The brother who came with me, he'll be taking some time, so just walking around this station. And the weather is also quite good. So viewers, there is something unwanted happened here right now. As you can see, I am at the railway crossing. The gate is closed and the train is there, and it's already more than 1.5 hours the train is there. It's waiting for the other train, and so I am not able to cross the other side. So I have kept my bike there where the crowd is there, you can see. So right now I have to go that side because my friend is waiting on the opposite side, so I have to cross through, going under the train. So I'll take this way. Let me go through this way. I'll take some small risk. So you can see the train. Now I have to go under this and cross the train. I hope it does not alarm. Oh, and I am under the train, literally. I am under the train, you can see. Yeah, finally I crossed. I came the other side. Oh my god, what an experience going under the train. So let me look for my friend. He is waiting somewhere there. So finally guys, the train has left from the track and I have come so far, this side, opposite side, because my friend was somewhere behind the tree. He was relaxing there with his colleague. So my bike is on the opposite side. I hope nobody give a crash to that. You can see guys, the train is going and I have to go there, and I have kept it middle somewhere in the road. So let me quickly go there. Oh, and the gate opens finally. Come on, let me run and go. Oh, I can't run. Oh my god, the gate has opened. Look guys, the gate has opened. Oh, let me get my bike soon. Otherwise, again, if it close, that will be another problem. And guys, I have come this side, and you can see my bike is parked there. So let me quickly start it, and I'll just go to the opposite side. Yeah, the bike is safe. Again, I have to go to the opposite side from the way I came. Viewers, we have returned almost home. We are on the way, half of the way. So suddenly it started raining, as you can see. So we have taken shelter in a shop. The shop is closed. So and then I have parked my bike here only. So I had put this handkerchief because my hairs are too long. So because of the helmet, I was feeling uncomfortable. So I put this handkerchief on my head. So from here we have to wait to go home. It is 10 kilometers. So we have almost reached actually, and you can hear the pretty sound of the rain. If you enjoy, comment down below if you love rain. It's drizzling type. Raining also, but if you go on the bike you will get wet. So waiting here, as you can see, people are taking shelter there. So guys, it was 120 kilometers, right? So 65. So just calculate, up was 65 and down was 65. So, and my back is really paining because, it was too long continue ride, and I'm thinking to go Ladakh and all. This is practice to go, So, well, if you're enjoying the video, guys, and I think some of you are getting inspired. And the time is 4:52. So we had come out from home at 8:30 and we reached there by 10:30, and we had some work there, so we took some time there, around 2.5 hours or maybe more, you can say. So while returning we fueled up once, and right now it is 4:53. So by reaching home it will be around 5:30 or 6 o'clock. I think the rain has stopped, but the wind are still there, so we can still get wet, so we have to wait for some time. And really I'm very tired, so I need some energy drink, it's tea, chai. So we'll stop somewhere and have tea there. So guys, that's all. Let's go home back. And we just started, and again it started raining, so we changed our place. You can see the bike there. The bike is also getting cleaned, getting bath because the bike has become too hot. So I think we'll be reaching home around 6:30 in the evening. Oh, the rain stopped again, so we have to move again. So let's go. So viewers, I have reached home. Right now it is 6:30 in the evening, and you can see my condition. Look at me. Some crows did, potty on this side. Even on my helmet also, you can see white. And the bike condition is very dirty. So I'll make another video of this. If you enjoyed this video for any kind of reason, please give a like, subscribe, comment. And you can share with your friends. That's all guys. Tata, bye bye. Joto ko Johar, bye.